Welcome back to Auto World, your ultimate destination for the latest in the automotive industry. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of American muscle with the all-new 2025 Dodge Charger. Get ready to experience power, performance, and innovation like never before. The 2025 Dodge Charger is here, and it's redefining what it means to be a modern muscle car. With an aggressive design, sharper aerodynamics, and futuristic lighting elements, this beast is an absolute head-turner. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of luxury and technology. The Charger's interior features premium materials, a driver-centric cockpit, and a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Dodge's latest Uconnect software. It's packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Under the hood, Dodge continues its legacy of raw power. The 2025 Charger offers multiple powertrain options, including a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, delivering over 800 horsepower in the Hellcat Red-Eye edition. For eco-conscious enthusiasts, Dodge has introduced a hybrid variant with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, paired with an electric motor, offering a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. When it comes to performance, the Charger doesn't hold back. It boasts a new adaptive suspension system, enhanced braking capabilities, and an all-wheel drive option for maximum grip. Whether you're cruising on the highway or dominating the track, this car delivers an exhilarating ride. Dodge is also stepping into the future with its plug-in hybrid variant, offering up to 35 miles of all-electric range. This move shows Dodge's commitment to blending heritage with modern sustainability. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Charger comes equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Dodge Charger is available in a variety of trims, from the sporty RT to the mind-blowing SRT Hellcat Red-Eye. With new color options and customization packages, you can make this muscle car truly your own. The 2025 Dodge Charger is more than just a car, it's a statement of power, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car fan or a tech-savvy driver, this Charger has something for everyone. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Dodge Charger. What do you think about this modern muscle car? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest automotive content from Auto World. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.